What actors do is they're poeticizing the most difficult moments of the human condition. That's what drama is. And so acting is not comfortable, but it should be professional. Like, you're not going to improvise a car crash.
Yeah.
And
when people ask you on a flight, what do you say you do?
my name's Yehuda Duenyas. I'm an intimacy coordinator, which means that I help films and productions navigate intimate scenes in film and television.
Have you like stopped telling people what you do? Or
yeah, I've totally stopped telling people what I do.
No.